Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, October 30, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 30, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot prices of Grand Lotto 655 is 90 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price is 90 million pesos for October 30, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, October 30, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.